Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. You want to say hi? Come here. Say hello. Say hi. Say it's my birthday. It's my birthday. No, okay. So today we're going to be making rhubarb muffins, and I'm so excited because I have been making this recipe for a while. I recently grew rhubarb in my garden, and I've been having to make something rhubarb like every other day because it's growing like crazy. So I'm so excited to share these with you. These are like amazing. I just can't even describe them. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. To start out, we are going to cube our rhubarb. You're going to need 2 to 3 large pieces here. I'm using a lot more because I like to keep extra on hand. Gabe actually loves this on his toast, so I just keep it in the fridge for him. We're going to go ahead and cube that up and then just set that aside until we're ready to add it to our saucepan. Once that is all set, into the saucepan goes about a tablespoon of unsalted butter, and then now in the rhubarb and a 1/3 cup of sugar. If you like it a little bit sweeter, feel free to add more. I don't like it on the super sweet side. And then keeping the heat on medium high, you're going to go ahead and cook until you get this consistency. Now we are going to start to make the batter. You're going to do two cups of flour, some salt, baking powder, about 2 teaspoons, and then the sugar goes in as well. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of sugar. And we're going to give that a rough toss, and then into that same exact bowl go our wet ingredients. So for that, you're going to need whole milk, 1 cup of whole milk at room temperature. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or any flavorless oil that you like. And then you are also going to need 1 egg at room temperature. Please don't drop the shell in like I did. And then a splash, about a tablespoon of vanilla. Then you're going to take your handheld mixer and just mix that all up. We are now going to prep our muffin tin. This makes about 12 muffins, so go ahead and add in your liners, and then you can use a small ice cream scoop, which is what I did, and I just added a dollop of batter right into the liners. And then once that was all set, I went and added about a tablespoon of our rhubarb filling. This color is phenomenal and it tastes so amazing. Now we top it off with another dollop of our batter. Then we give them a nice little shake, and we're gonna bake them at we're gonna bake them at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you're gonna let them cool completely, dust them with some powdered sugar, and enjoy.